Does cracking your knuckles lead to arthritis? Let's find out. When you crack your knuckles, what's really happening is gas bubbles in the synovial fluid surrounding your joints are popped, causing that cracking sound. Multiple studies have shown that knuckle cracking is not associated with an increased risk of arthritis. However, excessively cracking your knuckles or any other joints may lead to other underlying joint issues. Frequent knuckle cracking can also lead to reduced grip strength, which is more a matter of habit than arthritis risk. Despite the lack of evidence linking cracking to arthritis, more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of knuckle cracking. For more biology tidbits, follow BioStudy.